When you add the image editor widget to your campaign, it will give form entrants the opportunity to make edits to an image they upload. Here's how to set it up. To use the image editor widget, your campaign must include a form with a photo upload field in it. Add an image editor widget to your campaign. You can decide which edit options you'd like to allow participants to make, such as cropping, flipping, rotating, and undoing or redoing an edit. If you select the frame option, upload images with a transparent background that participants can add to their uploaded photos. When you're done editing the image editor widget, click Save and Exit. Then make sure to test the entry form.